welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I filmed a quick get ready with me while I am going, before I go to Ulta and a whole bunch of other places to go shop and do my thing in this 80-degree weather, because it's shining weather, it's glowing weather, it's the season to be, you know, it's that season. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this glowy summer makeup look, keep watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite part down below, and subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, loves. So I don't usually do this on camera, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows. They're not gonna take that long because hopefully they'll be natural today. My brows are like how I want them to be at this point. So look, this is literally all I'm gonna do. It's like filling like the sparse areas. So I watched this girl, y'all might know her. Her name is Brie Hall. I watched her videos, right? And she's basically made a video about how Eco Styler is canceled. And in the video, she basically detailed how like Eco Styler has a lot of products that are carcinogens. I don't know if you guys know what carcinogens are, but they are basically products that could lead to cancer or are known to cause cancer. So it's not for me. So I've given up Eco Styler gel. So if my hair look dumb, that's why. Until Eco Styler comes out with a statement saying their products don't cause cancer, or they're changing the formula, whatever it may be, then I'm not using Eco Styler. I don't know if you guys follow me on Frotorial, but that's just basically a it's like a curly hair girl like social media, and I basically just post on there about like advice and like questions and stuff. I recently like commented on this girl post about Eco Styler because I didn't know a lot of people knew about it, but I guess a lot of people are like finding out about Eco Styler since like that video Brie Hall posted. But yeah, I'm done with my brows, by the way. But Eco Styler is canceled. Like, I'm not using it no more. I was gonna use it for my edges like yesterday, but I was like, nope, don't want cancer. And it's crazy, like all these brands just be putting these crazy stuff in their products to make them the way they are, and they could be really harmful. I'm still fly, just bagged a white guy, Richie light guy, and I still eat Thai. Want the Nicki cheat codes? Come on, bitch, let's try. Let's be real. Only bitches wanna like me. Wanna be in the man, yeah, but like me. But okay, when I go to Ulta, I'm gonna come back and film a video, hopefully. But I'm gonna get their Morphes, like the continuous set and mist. I'm also gonna try their Flawless Beauty Sponge because Alyssa Ashley was saying it's a good one. So I believe what Alyssa Ashley says is Bible. It's probably not good to believe that, but yeah. I'm gonna use this Dream Cushion foundation. Y'all know, like, this is my jam. This is like summer ready foundation. Like, I don't play when it comes to this foundation. Anybody got something to say about this foundation, we can fight. Other than the shade range, y'all can say all that because shade range is not it. But later today is Thursday the 24th, so it's happy hour at Starbucks. So hopefully I can get some Starbucks today. Did I put primer on yet? I'm gonna go in with like a light layer of foundation just to like cover up any like slight impurities that I have, like discoloration, dark spots, basically all that. This color is honestly getting a little dark for me, but like I told y'all earlier, their shade range is not it, so I'll probably do this color the whole summer. Guys, I want y'all to know, like, I'm on my 6th job, I think. I had 4 jobs last year. At Walmart, Sam's Club, McDonald's, Bath & Body Works. Walmart, Sam's Club, McDonald's, Bath & Body Works. Yeah, that's 4. Then I started the computer lab job this year, and now, like, since I'm out of school, I don't have that job right now. Well, I do, but I'm not working there because it's too far. But I have another job, so I'm on job 6 because the computer lab was 5, and the other job after that would be 6. Bro, I'm gonna tell y'all now, like, I've been going through it. like emotional highs. My emotions have been on a roller coaster. But I did not get a 4.0 this semester. Ooh, this is weird. I didn't get a 4.0 this semester. I ended up getting a 3.51, I believe, 3.5 something. But I got 2 A's this semester, 1 B and 2 B pluses. So I'm really proud of myself. I feel like I did well this semester. Like, my head was really in the game. I was focused. I was doing all the things I said I wanted to do. I was planning right, doing right. I was getting involved, all that. I was going to stuff. I was going to events. So I'm proud of my progress. I'm proud of what I did. My overall GPA right now is a 3.3, but it's going to be higher by the time I graduate, and that's all that matters to me. So I'm going to use this Becker Under Eye Concealer thing. I'm just going to use my finger. With my concealer, I'm just going to try to like do it over here, not all the way out here, because that literally looks weird in my pictures. I need my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush and try to blend some stuff out. God, but it's 80 degrees outside. I was going to have my hair down, but it's 80 degrees outside. I don't know if you heard me the first time. It's 80 degrees outside. It's 80 degrees outside. Can't nobody be having their hair down this weather. So, yeah. Okay, so that basically like got rid of my under eye infections. I don't know if I want to just leave it like this or put on concealer. But my brain is telling me to put concealer, so we're going to put concealer. Alright, that's as far as we going with concealer. I'm gonna blend that out again with this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. But I'm going to set my face with this Laura Mercier setting powder. I guess I'm just gonna use a brush. I'm gonna actually bake because it's not winter, baby. Alright, taking a damp beauty sponge. I look in the mirror and I look good, like, whatever. But taking a damp beauty sponge, I'm going to pat that into the setting powder and pat that into my skin. I don't know if anyone like follows me that just graduated this year, but congratulations on graduation, guys. Anybody that graduated this year, congrats. I wish I was graduating this year. Graduating college, that is. Okay. Now I'm out here wildin' with my niggas. Now I'm out here wildin' with my niggas. I'm wildin' with my full of shit. I'm about to take rum from Fenty. I'm going to put that on my lid. Try to wipe away like the powder and stuff that was on my eyes. I'm gonna put some on my finger and then put it on my lid. But then I'm going to like take the same brush and a transition shade. And from this Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to take Candid Peach. Take some mascara. Lashes, 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 lash, 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 lash. Lashes, lashes, lash, lash, lash. I'm gonna try lashes because these are like the Kiss So Natural lashes. Look So Natural lashes. And they don't be working for me. I'm gonna let y'all know that. Like, the band is so thin that they just don't work for me. So we're gonna try them. Yeah, they never work, but I'm gonna try them anyway. Okay, so I sprayed my face with some MAC Fix Plus. I also did set that. I also did dust that powder away. Next thing I'm going to do is highlights. So to highlight, okay, I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics It's my Ray number 5 brush. I'm gonna bronze. So I'm going to bronze with this bronzer from, I think it's called Bits and Pieces. It's from ColourPop. Duh. ColourPop. And yeah, it's gonna be lights because this color is wild. So I'm going to take Sugar Daddy from Artist Couture and I'm going to use that to highlight today. I'm going to spray my brush with some MAC Click Plus. Dip the brush in the Artist Couture powder. Dust off everything away, honestly. Like, dust it all away. Oh my god, like, look how much is caught up on this brush. Like, everything. But this highlight is kind of like pinkish, peachy-ish, so I kind of want it. That's why I wanted it. Okay, so now for the lip, I'm going to use New Truffle. I want to use the Ellery gloss from ColourPop. It's called Stilo. I want to use that instead. This is the finish. This is the finished look. Like, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I might just give y'all the outfit of the day too. Like, might as well. So for my top, I am wearing Pretty Little Thing. It's a jumpsuit, if you guys can see. And for my shoes, I'm wearing some Target brand shoes. Earrings from Forever 21 and watch from Apple. And then that's it. I kind of want to put some body shimmer on. Let me go put some body shimmer. I don't want to put some body shimmer on it. Ew. Okay, so I am glowed up. You don't want to go to buy the Fenty Body Lava. I suggest the K-Lux body shimmer. I like it. They have a whole lot of different scents, like hot cocoa. I love hot cocoa. I like the scent of hot cocoa. They also have like coconut, you know what I'm saying? Like, they have a whole bunch of different scents, but these are the ones I chose. And yeah, so today I'm going to go to Ulta, buy some stuff. I'll show you guys what I bought. I'm probably gonna do a mini vlog after this, but yeah, I'm going to Ulta to buy some stuff. I'm also going to Starbucks because they have happy hour. Hopefully I go somewhere else with Destiny because we always just be going places, just be doing things because we're still teenagers. My last year as a teenager. Okay, so your girl is outside of Ulta. I stole my mom's car. I'm in my mom's car. Vroom vroom. Vroom vroom. I'm in my mom's car. Is that what she said? Vroom vroom?
I'm in my mom's car. Broom broom. Get out of my car. Aww.
Something like that. Whatever. I'm in my mom's car at Ulta. I'm about to go buy some stuff. I don't know what I'm getting yet. Well, I do know what I'm getting, but I always woke up with more than I need and more than I wanted. Well, I actually want it. More than I need it. That's where we go. So, who knows? I mean, I'll probably bring y'all in there. If I'm disappointed, I will probably like show y'all they don't have shit. Like, I mean, they don't have nothing. Who said?
Who had been saying that? Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
Okay, this is light enough. Well, yeah, I'm just about to go to Ulta. I wanted like a beauty sponge and some setting spray. Probably gonna end up getting more than I need, more than I ended up wanting. Yeah. So just stay tuned. Hopefully when I come back, I'll be like in Ulta and showing you guys what I bought. Peace. Hey y'all, so I'm in Ulta. I have the concealer I want. I wanted the Makeup Revolution concealer. They always have it. I did just never have it in my color, which is C10. It's always sold out everywhere. But today I found C10 and C12. Oh, this is C6. C10, yeah, C10 and C12. So happy about that. About to go over to Morphe and see what I can get from there. think this is it for that. Okay, so I went to Ulta or whatever. This Ulta doesn't sell Morphe, and I was supposed to get a Morphe beauty sponge, so that didn't work out too well. Also, yeah, I didn't like that Ulta. Only one person asked me if I needed help. Like, it's so annoying. Okay, this seat was hot. Only one person asked me if I needed help. When I walked in, no one said anything. Like, every time someone walked past me, like, they would try to avoid me. Like, what is wrong with y'all? Like, y'all can't cater to black women. It just gets on my nerves. And it's especially this Ulta. It's honestly, when I think about it, it's all Ultas. Like, this is not the first time this has happened to me at Ulta. Like, when I go to Ulta, I don't expect to be spoken to. I don't expect anyone to help me. Like, I don't expect anyone to ask me if I need help. Like, I don't know if they're scared to help me or if they just don't want to help me because of how I look. I don't know what it is, but literally no one helps me. It's kind of annoying because, like, sometimes I just be searching for shit, like, on my own, and someone will see me searching for something and won't even say nothing. They will sit there and smile at me. Like, don't smile at me, help me. Like, I don't know, it's so annoying sometimes. But that Ulta didn't have Morphe, like I said, and I literally came there to get something from Morphe. So I'm going to go to the one in Hobart. I don't even know how you say that. I don't. Hobart. Mom sent me a picture. Mom sent me a picture of Ulta. It's funny because that's where I am right now too. But I'm in her car and I'm about to go to the next Ulta because this one was a freaking bust. Like, I don't like this Ulta. I don't want to go to Maryville. 25 minutes? What the hell? I'd rather go to the one in Tinley Park than go to the one in Maryville because I'm gonna be 40 minutes away from home. Honestly, I'm going home. I'm going home. I don't feel like driving 25 minutes just to go get another product. Like, well, that's it. I'm not going to Ulta. Might as well show you guys what I got because this is it. Like, after this, it's a bust. I got the Makeup Revolution concealer in number 10 and number 12 because I'm going to try those. And I also was running out of my face wash, and Soap & Glory has like the best face washes to me. So I went ahead and got this Fab Pore Purifying Foam Cleanser. So basically I was running out of my face wash. I do use a face wash from them already, but this one was specifically meant for oil control, and I have really oily skin. So I feel like this would be a good face wash for me. Yeah, I have like huge pores and bad oil, so yeah, hopefully this will target my problems. So yep, hopefully after this I'm just gonna go to Ulta. Destiny should be meeting me at my house, and then we're gonna go to Ulta. So yeah, not Ulta, Starbucks. I need food. I order. Yeah, but Taco Bell is the next stop. Yeah, that is it for this video. Like, let me know if you guys like it by giving me a thumbs up. No thumbs down. We don't allow those. 100% thumbs up. Hopefully I'm going to be posting regularly. I can't promise you guys anything because my mental health comes first, and if I don't feel mentally ready to post, then I'm not going to. But yeah, that is honestly it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Oops. Ooh, you know when that little boy was in the backseat of the car and his mom was saying she was gonna beat his ass, and he got let when they got home, and he was like,
it's the only thing you want to do all day. Make your mind up. Uh-oh.